That's what Freddy said.
What?
He sprained his buttocks. Now you sprained your ankle.
Turn the big light on, Sid.
It is on. Why did you turn it off?
Hey, you. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Baba.
Hmm.
Look at.
I know, he's so cute.
Mom,
What?
can you call me Buttercup
No.
or Courage? Mom.
Mm-mm.
Mom. Buttercup or Courage?
Will you be quiet? I'm recording.
Pick, Mama. Hi,
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Look at these guys.
I know.
Oh, look at these guys.
This guy doesn't know what to do with himself. He wants to play, but never. Those two are sleeping.
Kitty.
Move.
Mom. Call me Buttercup or Courage.
Get out of here, Courage. What's the matter? What's the matter? What? Hey. Hey. What's wrong? Look at these guys, are all racked out. Everybody's out. Nobody's eating anymore. Baby.